Hey travelers! Have you ever dreamed of having dinner on the water while the sun sets behind snow-capped mountains? Well, today I'm taking you on one of the most magical experiences you can have at Lake Tahoe, the Sunset Dinner Cruise on the MS Dixie 2. This is a 3-hour journey that combines incredible food, breathtaking views, live music, and a sunset you will never forget. So grab a seat, and let me walk you through exactly what to expect, from getting there, to the ticket price, to every single moment on board. So first things first, how do you actually get there? The cruise departs from Zephyr Cove Resort and Marina, which is located on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, right along Highway 50. If you're staying in State Line or the Heavenly Village area, it's only about a 5-minute drive north. Just look for the Zephyr Cove Resort parking lot, you'll turn in right off the highway, park your car, and walk down toward the marina. You honestly can't miss it, the big paddle wheeler boat is right there waiting at the dock. Now, if you don't have a car, there's also a shuttle service that picks up from several locations around South Lake Tahoe, including Harrah's Casino, The Landing, and Lakeland Village. The shuttle arrives about an hour before cruise departure, so you'll want to be at your pickup point early. Check the schedule when you book, because the shuttle times are tied to the cruise departure. Now let's talk about the ticket. As of 2026, the Sunset Dinner Cruise costs about $159 per adult. And yes, I know, that's not cheap. But here's what you need to understand, that ticket includes the full 3-hour cruise, a 3-course dinner, and the entertainment. Here's a tip, arrive early. I mean it. Get to Zephyr Cove at least 30 to 45 minutes before departure. Because even before you step on the boat, the views are stunning. You're standing at the marina, and you can see the crystal-clear turquoise water of Lake Tahoe stretching out in front of you. The pine trees come right down to the shoreline. On a clear day, you can see all the way across the lake to the mountains on the western shore. When it's time to board, you'll walk down the ramp and step onto the MS Dixie 2. The lower deck is where dinner is served, and this is where you'll be seated. The lower deck is enclosed with large windows, so you get great views while you eat, but you're protected from the wind and the cooler evening air. The tables are set up nicely, it feels like a proper restaurant on the water. There's table service, and the crew is friendly and welcoming. Once you're seated, you'll get freshly baked rolls and butter right away, along with your appetizer, a fresh field baby lettuce salad to start. Now here's where you have a choice to make, and both options are great. Option 1, you can have your dinner during the first half of the cruise. This means you eat while the sun is still up, enjoy your meal on the lower deck, and then head up to the top deck afterward for the sunset portion of the cruise. After dinner, it's time to head up to the top deck, and this is where the cruise goes from great to unforgettable. The top deck is open air, so you feel the breeze, you hear the water, and you have a 360-degree view of everything around you. And this is where you watch the sky do its thing. As the sun starts to drop, the sky begins to shift, from bright blue to soft gold, then to shades of orange and pink that reflect off the surface of the lake. The water literally turns colors with the sky. And those mountains, the Sierra Nevada range surrounds Lake Tahoe on all sides, and from the top deck, you see them from a perspective you just can't get from shore. The granite peaks, the tree-lined slopes, the way the light hits each ridge differently as the sun moves lower. It is absolutely breathtaking. And if you're doing this cruise in the winter, oh, it's a completely different experience. In the winter, those surrounding mountains are covered in snow. White peaks against a pink and orange sky, reflected in the dark blue water of the lake. It's quieter, it's more serene, and honestly, it feels like you're cruising through a painting. So whether you go in summer or winter, the views are stunning, but winter adds a whole different level of magic. As the cruise continues, you'll watch dusk settle in. If the sky is clear, and Lake Tahoe has some of the clearest skies you'll find anywhere, you'll see the full sunset. The sun drops behind the mountains on the western shore, and for those few minutes, the entire lake glows. Golden, then amber, then deep pink. People get quiet. Some people take photos, some people just stand there and watch. It's one of those moments where you realize, this is why you travel. This is why you came to Lake Tahoe. After the sunset, you'll head down to the middle deck, and this is where the energy shifts. There's a live band playing, and the music is fantastic. Think upbeat, fun, danceable, the kind of music that gets everyone in a good mood. People dance, people laugh, people hold their drinks and sway to the rhythm. The middle deck has a bar right there, so you can grab a cocktail and enjoy the music. It's a great atmosphere, not too wild, not too tame. Just a really good time on the water under the stars. Whether you want to dance or just sit back and listen, the middle deck is where the cruise comes alive after the sun goes down.